Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session, we will try to discuss about calculating the length of an array without using length method. We should able to count number of elements in an array without using length method. So for this, let us have basic intro about array. Array in JavaScript is a collection of multiple elements. It means we can store multiple elements of different data types. It might be string, object, number or any other data type. Generally, in any programming language, the array index starts with 0. In JavaScript also, array elements starts with 0 and it will be automatically incremented, automatically maintained by its index values. In this, let us write some example to find out the length of an array. First, let me use the predefined method. I am trying to define var a equals to 10, 40, 60, 70. In this array, we are trying to take 4 elements. So let me print out the length of it. A dot length. So this is the predefined method where we can print the output of a array. So if I am trying to take, let me open the output in the browser. Let me check in the console. You can press F5 or you can click on F12 or you can click on inspect button. Console. The array index is 4. You can visualize it here. So it is 4. So it is trying to take the length of an array. So line number 16 is we got length. So this is how we can declare an array. We have declared an array using array literal here. We have assigned 10, 40, 60 and 70. So the length is 40 here. For example, if I want to access an element, console.log a of 0, it means it will try to print the first 0 index value 10. Let me take the same line and I am trying to write a of 5. Can you see here? I'm trying to write a of 5 here. Sorry for this. I'm trying to write a of 5. You have seen undefined. So whenever you have got this undefined, it means we cannot access the array index. See here 0, 1, 2, 3. We have only 3 values, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Index values is 3 but the element length is 4. So whenever you are trying to access the more the elements, it will try to give us undefined. Undefined is the basic data type of JavaScript or default data type of JavaScript. So we have used length method. Now let us calculate the same thing without using the length. Let me take out a new array now. Let c equals to, I am trying to write 50, 70, 90 and 89. These are the 4 elements I have written. In this, I should able to print the length of it, like how many elements does it has. For this, I am trying to take a function. So I am trying to write some function here. Function array length. I am trying to take a function. So if I want to pass this function, I should able to write console.log. I should able to call this function now. So I am trying to write array of c. So I'm trying to call this function array length. I'm trying to pass this array elements. Now I'm trying to take a parameter here where it receives the array elements, and initially I'm trying to define the length of this is 0. First I'm trying to define the length is 0. In this I'm trying to use an looping or iterative statement called while, where it will try to iterate the list of elements. For suppose, what is the array name here? C of length not equals to undefined. It means whenever you find the array element as undefined. For example, see here, if we can see this snippet, it means we are trying to see c of 0 is undefined. No, we have answer as 50. Next one, c of 1. So we are trying to iterate the values. Let us write the snippet. I'm trying to use length plus plus. Now if you can see, I should able to return this value. Now in this snippet we are trying to perform this operation, like we are trying to write while, it means, let me write directly, let C of is undefined, not equals to undefined, but we have a value here, that is 50. So as it is a 50, what happens? Now the length value will be 1. So it will try to value, the length value is 0, so it will try to start from the 0 and it will try to increment until or unless it will finish out this array elements. So now it will try to return the length here, return length. Let me close this comment. Now if we can see this output in the console, we got 4. Let me add an element here and let me check. So this is how we can define the length of an array without using length method. Let us look into the presentation part of this snippet. We have started with an array intro, that is, array is a collection of multiple elements. It will start with 0 and it will try to maintain automatically, and it doesn't have any rule that it should able to maintain similar data type. It can store multiple values of number, strings, object in the same array. We have started with length method, where it is trying to print the length of elements. So as it is 4 here, it is trying to print 4 in the console. And next one we have used the snippet, where it is trying to check the array index value. If it is undefined, it will stop the loop, or else it will try to increment the length. At the end, it will try to return the value here. So this is how we have done. If you have any queries, you can just drop us a mail or you can comment below this video. Thank you.